Welcome to the K&D Enterprise channel. The best way to support me is to subscribe, so please subscribe. And also, I did start up a Patreon account for as small as $1.25. You can become a patron of mine. Check the links below. But please at least subscribe. I hope you find the info useful, helpful, and it saves you money. Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Just want to do a quick review and possible use. I'll demonstrate a practical usage anyway for this. These are leg extenders for the Phantom 4. You can get them for the Phantom 4 or the Phantom 4 Advanced or the Pro. Basically, they're leg extenders for your drone. Now, you, like I, if you take off in grass, a lot of times if the grass is taller, you know, it messes up with the camera. It's trying to adjust, but it gets caught in the grass and stuff. I'm going to show you a unique use that I found for this. But this is what they're all about. Basically, it gives your drone some extra stability and ground clearance. It'll also protect the camera and reduce the impact of dust, dirt, sand, and moisture. And I'm going to add into that snow. We'll get to it. Anyway, this is the these are the extenders here. One complaint that I've heard, people have said that this bottom panel disrupts some of the ground sensing. But when you put this on, I'll try to show you here. It does slide a little bit. So I have a feeling that if it's at the back, further back towards where the sensors are, you might have issues. I didn't really have any issues with mine, but also I kept mine forward on here, as far forward as it would go, and I had no issues when I was flying the drone. So to put these on, it's very easy. Of course, they're already on, so I'm going to show you how to take them off. Basically, in reverse order when you're putting them on, take off the bottom panel here. There, and then they just snap in on the legs here. Just push them back. And that's really all there is to it. Pretty quick, pretty easy to do. But yeah, let's go do some testing. And have a nice little demonstration coming up here. Hello everyone, here I'm going to show you possible use for some drone extender legs. Here I am, I'm in Canada here, and well, it's snowy. Might have situations where you know, you're going to have to land and take off in snow. And I'm just going to show you. I mean, there we go. It's, you know, above my ankles for snow. So what I'm going to do is just show you, you know, maybe an idea. I know you can hand launch and you can capture your drone, but I mean, this will work with snow or in grass for these leg extenders. So I just wanted to show you, and I don't know, might be something to consider. Okay, let's go put the drone in place. The idea with the leg extenders, there's the extenders there, has a base on here, and it's going to act like probably like a snowshoe, and so we'll be able to take off and land without the camera going down into the snow. Let's give her a try. So as you can see, the camera is up out of the snow, so that's good. So no problem so far. I'm just waiting for the GPS and the home point to be set here. I'm just going to do a quick takeoff, and then we'll land again in the snow, and then we'll go investigate. And there you have it, landed nice in the snow. The camera is perfectly above the snow level. So yeah, something to think about. I'm pretty happy with the test here. So take care, have a great day, like, subscribe.